Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. So kids, first we're using the color of red and writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A for apple. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. D for doll. The next one is E for egg. F for fish. F for fan. Stay with us. G for God. The next one is H. Now we're using the color of blue and writing the alphabet of H. H for hand. H. The next one is I. I for ice. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. L. The next one is M for moon. And the next one is N for nose. N for nest. Now we're using the color of silver. Silver color. Writing the alphabet of O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q for queen. The next one is R for rose. R for rice. S. T. U for umbrella. The next one is V for van. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Now we open the colors. Forest green color. Kids, the next one is mint blue color. And the next one is baby blue color. Stay with us. Vivid purple color. And the next one is light violet color. Geranium color. Deep olive green color. Rose big color. Rose big color. Scarlet color. Kids, the next one is yellow color. Exactly. Cream color. Cream color. The last one is yellow green color. Stay with us. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. The next one is G. G, H, I, J, K, L. The next one is M, N, O, P, Q, R. First we draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of mint blue, writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Now we write the alphabet of C. The next one is D. Now we're writing the alphabet of E. E. The next one is F. F. F for fish. Now we're using the color of baby blue color, writing the alphabet of exactly G. The next one is H. Now we're writing the alphabet of I. J. The next one is K. L. L for lemon. Kids, now we're using the color of cream and writing M. N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Exactly. Q. Q for queen. The last one is R. R for rose. Yes. Silver color. Exactly. Dark green color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. Yes. Persian blue color. Light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Kids, the next one is sky blue color. Blue color. Light green color. Stay with us. Red color. Red color. And the last one is white color. White color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of light green, writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog. The next one is E. Stay with us. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. So kids, now we're using the color of brown, writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. J. K. The next one is L. M for moon. M for mango. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. And now we're using the color of blue. Writing now numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. 7, 8. The next one is 9. 10. T-E-N, 10. Now we're using the color of rose big. Rose big color and writing alphabets. A. The next one is B. B. C. C. D. D for dog. D for doll. E. E for egg. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fan. G. G for goat. Forest green color. The next one is H. H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. The next one is K. K. L. L. M. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Now we're using the color of cream. O. The next one is P. Q. Q for queen. R for rose. R for rice. S. S. T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. Now we're using the color of yellow green color. V. The next one is W. X. Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Us. Baby blue color. Mint blue color. Yellow color. Light violet color. The next one is yellow green color. Rose big color. Geranium color. Cream color. Vivid purple color. Deep olive green color. Forest green color. And the last one is scarlet color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of A. A. The next one is B. B. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E for egg. The next one is F. Exactly. F for fish. G for goat. The next one is H. H for hand. Kids, now we're using the color of mint blue. H. H for hand. I. The next one is J. Exactly. K for kite. L for lion. L for lemon. M. M for moon. M for mango. N for nose. N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow. O for orange. The next one is P. Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. R for rice. S. The next one is T. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Exactly. W. Now we're writing the alphabet of X. The next one is Y. The last one is Z. To Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. The next one is H. H. I. J. K. Stay with us. L. M. N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R. S. T. U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V. W. W for watch. X. Y. Z. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Coral red color. Kids, the next one is pale pink color. The next one is raw silk color. Now we open the color of vivid green color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Emerald green color. Pastel pink color. The next one is lavender color. Kids, now we open the color of warm gray. And the next one is pale blue light color, Persian blue color, Persian blue color. And the last one is black color. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now we open O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Lavender color, and writing the alphabet of yes, A. The next one is yes, B, C. Now we draw the alphabet of D, and the next one is E. Exactly. F. F for fish, F for fan. G for gorilla. So kids, now we are using the color of coral red color and writing the alphabet of yes, H. The next one is I, J, K, L, M for moon, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O, cool gray color. O for octopus, P. The next one is Q. Now we draw the alphabet of R, S. The next one is T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Pastel pink color. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.